Welcome to the Imran Academy again. I am discussing with you A-level mathematics, year 1 AS level preparation, and this is my WhatsApp number. If you want to have me as a tutor, online tutor for tuition of O and A-level mathematics, you can contact me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. In the previous two lectures we discussed question number 5. Here we are discussing algebra. Question number 5 was discussed by me, then I discussed question number 6, and today I'm gonna discuss with you question number 7. So what is the question? Question is here. Question number 7 says Carol's garden is a square of side x meters and Mark's garden is a rectangle. One side of the rectangle is 3 meters longer than the side of the square, and the other side is twice as long as the side of the square plus an extra meter. Find the difference in area between Mark's garden and Carol's garden. Give your answer as a simplified expression in x. So here we have the question statement, and let's see how we're gonna operate. Suppose this square of x meter length is Carol's garden, and like given in the statement, the Mark's garden is a rectangle, one side of which is 3 meters longer than x, and the other side is twice as long as x plus an extra meter. So here we have the whole scenario in front of you, and we want to find the difference of the squares of the two gardens. So I've written the area of the two gardens and subtracted them. Now we operate, we just simplify this and we will get the answer. Let's see what can we do here. Here we can use a FOIL method to multiply these two terms. You know, first term, F is for first terms. So first term is x and first term is 2x. So multiplying these two terms, we will get 2x square. And O is outside terms. Outside term, this one and this one, these are the outside terms. So x multiplied by 1. Inside terms, these are the inside terms. 3 2s are 6, and last terms. So 3 is last here and 1 is last here. So 3 1s are 3, and then we have x square. So here like terms will be subtracted, like 2x square will be subtracted. X square will be subtracted from 2x square. So we will get x square plus 7x plus 3. So this is the answer to the problem. This is the simplified form of the answer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe the Imran Academy for future lectures. Till the next lecture, it's goodbye.